Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Troy Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 2-liter turbocharged engine with a 8-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic manual shift mode and driver selectable modes. You get front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, ABS and driveline traction control, blind spot and forward collision avoidance system, lane keeping assist and departure warning, backup camera with rear park distance parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, radio with aux and USB and Bluetooth connectivity, power rear cargo liftgate, heated leathered seats, two 12-volt DC power outlets, remote keyless illuminated entry, and proximity key for doors and push-button start. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.